Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to another video. What a week we had. You know, it was a very volatile week, like we expected it. Monday, what happened in the market? Monday, we had a very big gap up and a huge move on the upside. Huge move. What happened on Tuesday? Entire move got dumped. Almost the entire move got dumped. Right? Wednesday, what happened? Strong up move. So, what is the market doing for the past 3 days? Up, down, up, down.
एक सेकंड में अप एक सेकंड में डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन अप
Now, what is the status of what traders, right? All the traders must be, कुछ लोग काफी पैसे कमाए होंगे, कुछ लोग घर वर बेच के ट्रैवल के लिए बोरा बिस्तर लेके ट्रैवल करने में लगे होंगे, राइट?
दूर रहना चाहिए हैं? अबे पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, आईएएस बनो और देश को संभालो.
So this is that kind of a week where it is good either you take a leave or you know what you're doing and proper risk management. So it's completely volatile. 300 points up, 300 points down, 150 points up, something like crazy, right? So what next? What can we see for the budget? I'll keep this video a little short and let's quickly get into our plan or the game plan for the budget day. Now, we know that the budget can be a two-stage event. What is the meaning of two-stage event? Listen closely. Last time, what happened? Let's go back in history once and see what happened last time. So this was the 2023 budget day, 1st of Feb. We saw what? A gap up, flat movement, and then sudden spike up, and then sudden spike down, right? So there's two moves in the market. One was up and then down. So this is what? The two-stage event. So this spike came after what? 12:15. So let's expect 12 o'clock, round figure, 12 o'clock tomorrow to be an important time. Okay, we can see some kind of a two-stage move, like meaning dual up move or down move, both can be seen tomorrow. So what does it mean for us right now? Okay, so these levels you can ignore. These are price pivot zones. This was given for the underground traders group. Okay, so right now for tomorrow, what can we see? The structure is very important. There are two possibilities here, and what I am focusing on, I'll share that with you. My primary setup, which I'm looking for, is right now is very simple. This move, I want it to get over tomorrow like this. Okay, go higher, and then we start a new down move to the next week till 6th or 7th. This is the first setup. Okay, so in that case, what will happen? Market will go for a bigger fall in the entire structure, right? We will do something like this. Okay, this is the first setup. So first priority is what? The market must move higher to break this swing low at 21,800 approximately. Okay, this swing low has to be broken. Sorry, swing high has to be broken. We make a new high in the market and then start a sell off in the second half, right? We saw the two-stage event just like last year. Now, if this happens, what can we do as a strategy, right? So again, I'm not going to advise you on what strategy to use. I'm going to share with you what I can do or what is my plan for the market tomorrow. So if the market starts to reject, right, goes higher and starts to fall, I will look for two things. One, I'll look for call options short, that is for intraday expiry, and for next week also I will carry some position. Okay, call option. Now I won't take exact high, I'll take some good distance like 22,000 round figures. Okay, 22,100, 22,200, some round figures. I'll take call option short. Why? Because this structure, right, if this is the structure, market will easily come back to 21,450. That will be the primary target. It will easily come back to 21,450. Now question is, why not put option? Why not put option? Simple, because I told you something in the last video about IV crush. Okay, this is not your high school crush, this is IV crush. Okay, IV crush is very simple. Your options, they will, even if you find a 200-300 point move, your option will not change much because their IVs will fall, implied volatility. So options prices will be very high when the volatility is high. Suddenly the volatility will fall. That is called implied volatility. It will fall tomorrow, and then your options value, no matter if you get a trending move also, their value will not increase by much. Only if you get like 600 points drop, one shot, single shot, then you can look for that. But anyway, there is no guarantee that tomorrow market will give 600 points drop or rise, whatever. So in that case, the safer play is to go for option sell or futures, right? That is what is my plan. Second option. Now this is first plan. Now I told you second option, what is the plan? Now second option is very simple. You see this range, market will simply keep moving in this range. What is the second option here? That market goes down first, okay, creates a swing low, and then in the second half we see a sharp move higher. Okay, in this case my strategy will be same, right? I'll be looking for put option short at this time, okay, but I'll take only small quantity. Okay, I'll take only small quantity here. I will wait for better quantity the next day, which is your 2nd Feb, because we have some heavyweights, some quarterly results coming out. So it's very important to, if I want to see a very strong bullish move, then I want to see the good results and market also pulling it up. So first stage tomorrow, if I get a dip in the market and then rally in the second half, second stage, right? Then I'll look for put options short intraday and small quantity next week. I'll carry over. Okay. This again, I will revise the Friday structure, and then I will decide whether to carry over the weekend or not. So in any way, this entire structure, it will become internal range, means within this range only we are traveling from the entire last week of Jan. Okay, so this is a very tricky structure right now in the market. So like I said, my primary setup is what I'll look for: a short opportunity first if the market goes higher first, and then second half we see fall down. Okay, secondary setup is very simple. I don't, if the first setup is not valid and we directly go down, right, and then second half we start trending move on top, then I will look for a put option setup, put option sell writing. Okay, why again I told you I'm not looking for option buying is because IV crush. Okay, so this is what is the setup. I'm looking for budget day, and I'll keep you updated on what can happen if there is any other chances. So make sure you follow and like this video if you enjoy such analysis. All right, I'll see you in another video. Take care and be safe, especially for tomorrow. There's a very, very good chances of very high volatile moves in the market. The pivot zones I will update for the group members, the members only group. I'll update it tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Okay, this we already got a good move today, right? So this is over now, and I already explained to you guys how you should execute, how you should plan. So keep this in mind. I'll share the new pivot levels tomorrow at 10 a.m. for the group members. All right. Thank you guys. I'll see you in another video.